Welcome to the last one-third of Philosophy 328. I realize that this is not exactly how you thought the rest of spring semester would go. It's certainly not the way I thought the last third of the semester would go for me. But here we are, and like good Stoics, we should accept what we cannot change, and we should try to focus on what we have under our control. Now, this change to the course, to it being online that is going to be disorienting, okay? But one thing that's worth noting is we do have control over the attitude we take toward this enormous change. And I think having a positive attitude will definitely help. So class is going to be very different from the face-to-face version we had in the first 2/3 of the class, but I still think this course can be beneficial and fun. You might be asking yourselves at this point, what's the point? Why don't you just give us all A's and write it off, okay? Now, there might be an argument for that. One reason I think that the remaining material is worth learning is that it will make you better understand and able to enjoy films, both philosophically and practically. For example, we're going to read about and discuss, albeit online, the sublime in cinema, the idea of friendship, how film can influence our moods, a form of toxic femininity, race and implicit racial bias, emotional contagion, the genre of film noir, and empathy with cinematic characters. Studying these topics, I think, will expand your sense of film as an art and how it can do many extraordinary things. Our study of some of these topics might even expand your sense of the world around you, make you understand it better, and perhaps even navigate it in better ways. How's the course going to go from this point? Well, I'll continue to post PowerPoint slides online on D2L on Brightspace that I think outline critical issues and that will help you better understand the readings. You should continue to watch the remaining films on your own, which are available in various online streaming services. The readings and the writing assignments will remain the same. And I've constructed online discussion forums, discussion threads that will give you a chance to post your thoughts and ideas about these materials. Regarding this last element, I've actually outlined what it is that I hope you'll be able to do in posting these things online, and I hope you'll find these things enjoyable and fun. Some of the new elements of the course might be sort of difficult to get used to, and they're not going to work as well as our discussions did face-to-face, but I do think they work well enough that you'll find them satisfying and enjoyable and educational. Let me know if you have questions or concerns.